Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, it is cold, it is early, it's 8:45. Been doing dashing since 7:30 in the morning because I got a bunch of shifts the other day. I was like, maybe I'll try to get some shifts on Tuesday. There was a bunch of like 30-minute shifts that were available, and I was like, might as well like log into all of them or like schedule all of them. So I got a bunch of random 30-minute shifts today. Right now, then I got another one from, I think, 11 to 11:30 or something like that. And then one from like 12 to 12:30. And there's one at night that's 30 minutes. So I don't know. Maybe I'll log in for those. Maybe I won't. I haven't gotten a single order today. So I literally drove all the way. I'm right next to Einstein Bagels. It is breakfast time. Maybe I'll get an order. Anyways, so today I just found a very, very interesting article. And it is about getting COVID pay while being a Doordasher. Did you guys know that was even a thing? Like, I didn't know this was a thing at all. So I'm just gonna read this article to you because I was like, what? Is this like just a New York thing? Or are people seriously getting pay from Doordash while they have COVID? Like, what? Alright, let's read this article. A COVID assistance policy at Doordash Inc. is frustrating some couriers who told Reuters the food delivery company sidelined them for as long as a month while infections caused the Omicron variant of the coronavirus failed. As long as the what? Doordash rolled out its COVID-19 financial assistance program in March 2020, offering a driver who tests positive for COVID or whose housemates test positive a one-time payment equal to the average earnings over the previous 2 weeks. What? Did you guys know that? Like, this is news to me because I did not know that at all. Upon submitting a claim for a health-related COVID-19 financial assistance, your Dasher account will be suspended to protect the Dasher community. Doordash said in March 12th, 2020. That is like the very beginning of COVID. Like, it didn't even really start yet. It started like 3 days after. In a March 2020 email to its drivers announcing the program. I never got this email. I didn't know you could do that. I would have done it once when I had COVID, you know? But 6 Doordash couriers told Reuters that during the recent Omicron surge, Doordash delayed making assistance payments for suspended drivers with Doordash accounts for prolonged periods, exacerbating the financial strain on gig workers who deliver food for a living. Like, I'm still confused. Like, when did this program come out? Because I have never even heard of it before, and I freaking report on Doordash for a living. When Cincinnati-based Doordash driver Josh Murphy notified the company about his roommate's positive test on December 21st, Doordash immediately deactivated Murphy's account for over 3 weeks, well beyond the 10-day quarantine period. Bro, you fucked up. But don't expect Doordash to get anything right. Murphy said that he missed work for 17 days, that he would normally be out delivering. He did eventually receive a check for $622, but he estimates the prolonged deactivation amounts of over $1,000 net loss. I don't know, bro. If you got $622 and you don't have to pay gas for anything, you didn't have to drive around or anything, I'd be pretty stoked. Sure, maybe you might have made a teeny bit more if you were driving, but if you got $622 and you think you were going to make $1,000, I wouldn't be complaining. You got to consider gas and wear and tear and stuff. A spokesperson for San Francisco-based Doordash said most cases medically cleared drivers, known as Dashers, are able to get back online within 24 hours. When a Dasher submits a qualifying claim, our team works quickly to process their 2 weeks of earning replacement and suspend their Dasher account to protect the Doordash community. Doordash has dedicated specific times, blah, 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 blah. Doordash declined to specify the number of couriers who have requested financial assistance since the start of the pandemic. Like, what? Did you guys know this? Did you guys know this? Seriously. Comment down below. Did you guys know that you would get paid if you had COVID by Doordash and not have to dash for 2 weeks? I didn't know this. Ooh, this is going to get juicy because I'm going to yell at someone right now. Here we go. Doordash, blah, blah, blah. Doordash counted nearly 3 million people who provided service or Dash during the third quarter, meaning there's 3 million people who are Dashers now. Earning over $2.8 billion for drivers, the company reports fourth quarter results on February 16th. My only source of income. Getting financial assistance or paid leave for COVID-related absence is especially hard for gig workers who lack employee benefits. Why is this your only source of income? You're not a freaking employee. Guys, don't be dumb. Get multiple sources of income. Get on multiple apps. Do not rely on one source of income, especially if that one source of income is Doordash. Come on now. If you're watching this channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why do you not have another app open or something, you know? App-based delivery companies treat couriers as independent contractors. Yes, we all know that. Doordash agreed in November to pay more than $5 million to settle an investigation by San Francisco into alleged labor law violations. There's no labor laws if you're a freaking independent contractor, though. like, guys, if you want to be an employee, just go get an employee job. You can work at Pizza Hut as a freaking as a actual employee, you know, like, or something. Don't screw it up for the people who want to stay independent contractors. Complaints among Doordash couriers about account suspensions and delays increased late 2021 with the rise of Omicron, blah, 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 blah. Lewis, who already recovered from COVID, finally found out he is eligible for financial assistance on January 28th. Ali, a Doordash driver in Minneapolis, submitted a request to the company for COVID financial blah 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 when she tested COVID or tested positive for COVID on Christmas. Her Doordash account has been suspended for 4 weeks, and she has yet to receive any sick pay, which she estimates to $2,000 in income. I do not wish to proceed to the financial assistance, she wrote. I do not wish to proceed with the financial assistance, she wrote in an email to Doordash on January 14th, as I am losing more money by not dashing, and this is my only source of income. Don't have one source of income. God, Jesus. People, come on. Like, I don't know. It's like, hello, you're relying on a delivery app that does not care about you as your only source of income. What are you doing? Guys, you got to treat your whole entire life as a business. If you are an independent contractor, you have to treat being a worker as a business. You know, you have to market yourself. You have to go out and do sales, which when I say sales, I mean like going and getting multiple sources of income and getting out there and applying for other jobs. And like, if you're an independent contractor, you're all on your own. But seriously, where is this financial assistance program been this whole time? Like, I didn't even know that. But apparently it doesn't work very well. But can you, did you really think that Doordash's financial assistance program for independent contractors was going to work well? I don't even understand how a company who barely makes enough money to get by, supposedly, who knows what's actually going on at this, how much money they make and stuff. How do they have money to just give out to drivers for free when they literally pay us like $2 to $3 per order and rely on the customer as like the whole entire tip, you know? Like, if the customer isn't tipping, the Doordash drivers aren't actually getting paid. I don't know. I'm so confused. Like, what's going on? But what I'm more confused about is, why would you have only one source of income and rely on Doordash and then tell Doordash that you can't? I mean, I guess if you have COVID, I don't know. Anyways, I'm still confused, but 9:30 or 9:30 now. So, started this video a while ago, just finished it. 9:30, my shift just ended. Got that 8:45 to 9:30 done. I don't have another shift for another, well, I can log in 15 minutes. Anyways, Doordash sucks now. I only get a bunch of random 30-minute shifts, but we will see you guys in the next one, because I'm going to end this video right here, right now, and I'm going to tell Doordash that I have COVID because I want that COVID relief pay. It's COVID for sure. Just kidding, guys. I'm not going to do that. I don't like free handouts. It's not my style. Or is it? Anyways, all right, we'll see you guys next one. Make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button. If you guys want to download the Gridwise app, that app seriously helps you quite a bit. I am logged in right now using the Gridwise app. I've only driven 0.2 miles since I basically logged in, but whatever. Yeah, anyways, just looking over my earnings and all this stuff. I think Gridwise is pretty cool, though. If you guys want to download the Gridwise app, it's at the top of the description. It's like every driver's best friend. It helps out so much. So go check out that little link down below. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.